Oh, hi. You want to see some of the weirdest sounds I can make? Also, I can sound like Peter Griffin and Lewis. Here is what I sound like. Listen, Lewis first. Peter. Does that sound good? Write in the comments. Scale 1 to 10. And Peter is what Lewis? I can't do Peter is good. Peter Griffin and Lewis Griffin. Yeah. I can't sound like Stewie, but I can do this.
I can also talk into it too.
Yeah, I said I can also talk into it. And then I can make this voice, which sounds very creepy and annoying. I bet I'm gonna use this. Roar, roar, roar. It's just. What am I even doing at this point? Well, okay.